Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk Unplugged, where we dive deep into the world of development, creativity, and the tech tools that shape our digital lives. I'm your host, and today we're exploring a groundbreaking tool set that has been making waves in the coding community, GitHub Copilot. Now, if you've ever felt overwhelmed staring at a blank screen, wondering where to start your code, GitHub Copilot is here to change that. Imagine having a pair of extra hands, or even a helpful guide sitting beside you, ready to suggest lines of code, fix errors, and even help you brainstorm. It's powered by AI, making it an incredibly smart assistant for developers of all skill levels. Wouldn't that be a game changer for many of us struggling with how to make our ideas come to life? Let's break down what GitHub Copilot can do. One of the most intriguing features is its ability to help identify and fix vulnerabilities in your code. You know, security is a massive concern for developers everywhere. Imagine this scenario. You've spent days on a project, only to find out that there's a loophole that could compromise it. With Copilot, you get recommendations for more secure coding practices, which can save a lot of headache down the line. How comforting is that? And speaking of workflows, GitHub also offers actions to automate those repetitive tasks that eat up your time. I mean, who doesn't dread manually running tests or deploying code every time you make an update? Automation allows developers to focus more on creativity and less on monotonous tasks. It's like having a digital personal assistant, right? Also, have you heard about the Code Spaces feature? Picture working on your code directly in your browser, with your entire development environment ready to go without the hassle of setup. It can feel like being able to jump into a game without waiting for it to load. Pure instant gratification. Now, a thought-provoking question for our listeners. What if the tools we build today determine how we express our creativity tomorrow? As these AI-powered technologies evolve, it poses an interesting challenge. Will we still value traditional coding skills, or will the future be dominated by how well we can communicate our ideas to our AI friends? In closing, we've seen how tools like GitHub Copilot, Actions, and Code Spaces are not just about making coding easier, but also about enhancing our creative processes, improving security, and possibly reshaping what it means to be a developer in the future. So, stay curious, keep coding, and remember, every great innovation started with a simple idea. Don't be afraid to dream big. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.